I have a second channel, Cube Compium TDX. Hey everybody, here we have this Syscooling SC300T water pump with built-in reservoir. So, I got this off Amazon for roughly $20 and change. So not too much. Seems like a nice product, but the only issue I see with it is the possibility of a leak developing between this seam right here, between this clear plastic reservoir, which literally just is glued around the top of the pump housing. So between this and this, if you look carefully, you may be able to see how it's literally just glued on there. Now I did of course put the cap on the reservoir and use of course my own air pressure as well as a vacuum to try to test it, and it seems to be just fine. But my concern is perhaps in the future there could be an issue with a coolant leak in this seam. So what I'm going to do before I put this into its system, I'm building a water cooling loop in, I am going to actually add some additional super glue to the seam just to help ensure that this does not become a problem. Because the last thing you want is to have coolant, water or antifreeze, coolant or any kind of coolant you put in this leaking out into your system. So we're just going to add some super glue to this thing. Provided this container, oh there it goes. Had a very had a very minor clog there that actually freed up. So that's just one part of the hack. We're going to take some baking soda and sprinkle it on the super glue. Which helps harden it rather quickly. Now of course this can easily be cleaned up. So this actually helps the super glue dry instantly. I mean it's already hard. And that was actually a lot of glue that came out and on this. So you go ahead and get a paper towel so that way we can wipe off the excess and continue on. So I may end up actually washing this off or taking a wet paper towel to it to try and make it look decent. But you can see what happened here. I mean, that's hard. That's definitely hard. So, yeah, it's going to look a little funky on the sides, but I don't think I have to worry about this thing ever leaking. That is the key thing I'm looking for. So we're going to continue on with this. This time we're trying not to jet out as much of this stuff, but I mean, do what we can. Yeah, a little more came out than I'd anticipated over there. Alright, so same thing. So I should mention that a chemical reaction definitely takes place with the super glue in this baking soda. Trying not to make a super big mess of the baking soda, but that's nearly impossible. Just have to wipe it up. I'll shoot just a little bit out of here, and I want you to notice something. The stuff actually expands a little bit, so that super glue, it's like it absorbs that baking soda and it kind of expands. I must say, pretty impressed with that. Now, in the unlikely event that this pump is DOA, obviously I ain't gonna be able to send it back now. So, if it's bad, then I guess I'll be ripping it apart in a different video. But I'm pretty sure this pump is gonna probably be okay. Get that brushed on there real good. Alright, 2 more sides to do. I'm going to actually, before I do that, let's get this label off here or peel it back or something, because it's kind of in our way. Move it down just a hair. There, good enough. To be honest, I would not be a bit surprised if super glue is what's holding these 2 pieces together, or something similar to that. No baking soda, but just super glue. Okay. One more corner to do and that's it. One more side, rather. So, if this is your first time ever learning about the baking soda hack for super glue, feel free to like this video. Now, actually, I found out about this. There was a video out there on YouTube. I don't know if that was on YouTube when I found it or if it was through some third-party website. But I come across that and I was like, I gotta try that. So not only does the baking soda pretty much instantly dry this glue, they work together like in tandem to get you an even tougher bond. So let me go clean this up real quick and I'll show you the final product. Okay, so this was the side where way too much glue shot out, and like I said earlier, it's like once all that shot out, there was not much I could do. But the other three sides don't look so bad. You got a little bond around here. So that just helps give some extra security to help ensure that we have a good leak tight seal. This helps ensure that we have a good watertight seal. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Cuckoo channel, and be sure to tick the bell, that way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following Cuckoo Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, CubeComp MTDX. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.